Hey friends, welcome back to English Speaking and Listening Club. Good to see you here. Today, we're going to turn laziness into momentum. Not with guilt, not with magic motivation, just practical tools that make action easier than avoidance. If you've been saying, I know what to do, but I don't do it, this is your reset. We'll fix energy, remove friction, and build tiny wins that repeat. First, be kind and honest. Laziness is usually not a character problem. It's a system problem: low energy, unclear tasks, and high friction. Your brain is trying to save energy. So we give it a system where the first step is tiny, the plan is clear, and the environment makes action simple. Motivation follows motion. Let's make motion easy to start by changing your identity sentence. Stop saying, I'm lazy. Say, I'm a starter. Your brain listens to the story you repeat. Back it with evidence. Today, you will start small on one thing. That tiny start is not the whole job, it's the proof you are a starter. Repeat this daily and your self-image upgrades. Now fix your energy before you fight your willpower. Do 3 things in the first 10 minutes after you wake. Drink a full glass of water. Get 2 minutes of natural light in your eyes. And do 60 seconds of light movement: march in place, stretch, a few squats. These quick moves switch your brain from sleepy to steady. When energy rises even a little, action feels lighter. Make the first step tiny, so small it feels silly not to do it. Use the 2-minute rule. Open the document and write 2 sentences. Lace your shoes and walk to the corner. Wash 1 plate. Read 1 paragraph. Often your brain just needs to cross the starting line. Once you begin, momentum carries you farther than motivation ever could. If 2 minutes feels too big, make it 90 seconds. The goal is motion, not heroics. Reduce friction like a pro. Your environment should help you start without thinking. Put your phone in another room during work, or at least on Do Not Disturb. Close every tab except the one you need. Lay out your 2 to 4 pen notebook, charter ready, shoes by the door. Make good behavior easy and bad behavior annoying. What you don't see can't distract you. Decide the day before. Each night, write 1 clear sentence. Tomorrow. First thing, I will specific action for minutes. Example, tomorrow at 8 o'clock. I will draft the first paragraph for 15 minutes. This removes morning negotiation. Put the sentence where you'll see it. When the time comes, read it and start. Use short focus sprints. Set a timer for 10 to 20 minutes. Say out loud 1 thing only and begin. When your mind wanders, and it will notice it and gently return. When the timer ends, stand up, breathe, sip water. If you feel good, run another sprint. If not, celebrate the small win and come back later. Tiny sprints beat long fantasies. Give your brain a when X, then Y playbook. If I reach for my phone during a sprint, then I'll stand, take 3 slow breaths, and write 1 more sentence. If I feel overwhelmed, then I'll break the task into the next brick and do that brick only. If I feel tired after work, then I'll do a 5-minute starter before dinner. Pre-decisions beat willpower. Attach fun to focus. Listen to instrumental music you enjoy during your sprint. Light a candle only when you work. Save your favorite tea or coffee for your focus block. Reward yourself with a small walk or a short video after you finish. Tiny rewards teach your brain action feels good. Trade all or nothing for 80% days. Some days you won't hit your full plan. That's normal. Keep a minimum standard you can always do, 2 minutes on your key task. 10 minutes of movement, 1 glass of water, a quick tidy. Minimums keep your identity alive on hard days. Winners don't do everything. Every day they keep the chain alive. Make a lazy day, reset you can run any time. It's 3 steps: reset, reduce, restart. Reset with 1 slow breath. Reduce the task to a 2-minute version. Restart no. T'adore-site. No speech. No drama. Just 1 tiny move, immediately. Close your day with proof so your brain trusts you tomorrow. Write 3 wins, even tiny, to lessons and your 1 sentence for tomorrow. You're building an evidence file that says, I show up. Evidence beats self-doubt. If your laziness is heavy, long-lasting, or comes with deep sadness or zero pleasure in things you used to enjoy. This might be more than habits. Be kind to yourself and consider talking to a professional. Strong people ask for help. It's a power move, not a weakness. Let's make this real with a simple 7-day challenge you can start tonight. Each night, write your 1 sentence. Each morning, do the 3-minute energy start, water, light, movement. Then do 1 10-minute sprint on your most important task. After you finish, write 1 line, win, what you did. T'adore-site. 10 focused minutes for 7 days will feel better than 7 days of guilt. Quick story to anchor this. Ravi kept telling himself he was lazy. He changed one thing, his start. Every morning he drank water, got light, moved for a minute, and did a 10-minute sprint on his hardest task with his phone in another room. He kept a small note, 10 at 7:10. 2 weeks later, he wasn't suddenly perfect. But he had 14 proof lines and a new identity. I start. His projects moved. Imudrose and the word late wrong. He didn't wait for motivation. He made a system that didn't need it. Here's your move right now. Stand up. Sip water. Set a 2-minute timer. Do the first tiny step of the task that matters most today. Your job is not to finish. Your job is to begin. When the timer ends, decide, continue for 8 more minutes or celebrate the start and schedule the next sprint. Either way, you win. Remember, laziness fades when starting is easy. The next step is tiny. And your environment does half the work for you. Build the system once, repeat the steps daily, and watch your days lift. Close your screen and prove it. 2 minutes now beats 2 hours later. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, tap like, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who needs a gentle push today.